Hi everyone, and welcome back to another video by your friends here at Altitude University. Being a business owner is a dream many people share, including myself. The idea of being your own boss and turning a small investment into a lifetime of returns may seem out of reach, but with drones, it doesn't have to be. Stick around and find out how you can start a profitable drone business for under $3,000. Before we begin, make sure to hit those like and subscribe buttons so we can continue to provide you with more drone-related content. In this video, we are looking at the bare minimum you need to start flying a drone for profit. With the products and services we mentioned, our aim is to provide a few examples of what you will need to get started without breaking the bank. We'll include links to some of them in the description section below. Because our goal is to show you how anyone can start a drone business, our recommendations will set you up for work in fields like real estate or event photography. More specialized work, such as utility inspections, will require more expensive drones. For this video, we'll focus on the easiest jobs you can land with the least expensive equipment. First off is your education. The cost of the FAA's Part 107 exam is a flat rate of $175 paid to the testing center you take your exam at. Since you can't legally fly for profit in the United States without this license, we start our tally off at $175. Now, time for a shameless plug. While not required, most students benefit greatly from an exam preparation course. Our Part 107 study guide course is only $97 and has helped over 17,000 students pass the exam on the first try. We'll add that cost to our education tally for a running total of $272. Many states require you to formally establish your business. Each area is different and costs can vary greatly from one state to the next. It's always a good idea to consult an attorney when deciding on the legal structure for your operation. LegalZoom is a great resource for starting your business on a budget. The fees are typically lower than going directly to an attorney, and their expert advice can help you decide which business structure is best for you. One type of business structure used by many drone pilots is an LLC or limited liability company. LegalZoom has some options for creating an LLC that costs nothing other than the state filing fees. Depending on your state and what type of business entity you choose, costs can range between $100 and $500. That gives us a new total of between $372 and $772. Next on our list is insurance. There is no law requiring insurance, but many clients will want you to have it before you are hired. We've found the majority of clients want at least $1 million in liability insurance. Before you panic, insurance for this amount can be very reasonable. One example is Skywatch.ai. This provider can supply liability and hull insurance, which is damage to your drone, for under $100 a month. That's pretty good peace of mind while you're flying. So, with that $100 added to our list, we are now looking at a new total of between $472 and $872. Next on our list is a good camera. You may be thinking, I already have a drone, why do I need a camera? Well, you'll find a camera comes in handy, and clients in real estate and event photography will typically want a mix of ground and aerial photography. There are many options for cameras. You can find used cameras for around $200, but only do this if you know what you're looking for. We'll list a couple of good cameras below, ranging from $400 to $500. So adding this cost range to our tally, we have a total of between $872 and $1,372. If you don't have a computer yet, you'll definitely need one. Smartphones have made it easy to live without a laptop or desktop, but if you're running a drone business, a computer will make your life much easier. It doesn't need to be anything fancy, but should be able to handle programs like Adobe Photoshop or DaVinci Resolve for basic photo editing. There are so many options for laptops, but you can definitely find a good laptop for $400 or less. That brings the total to between $1,272 and $1,772. You'll probably need a few random items like a tripod for your camera, drone landing pad, or a backpack to carry your gear. $100 is more than enough for odds and ends to make your life easier on location. That brings our total to between $1,372 and $1,872. Our last item on the list is the most expensive and most important, your drone. There are many excellent options for drones if you're willing to spend thousands of dollars. Buying drones below that price can be tricky. If you search for inexpensive drones, you'll find many that market themselves as just as good as DJI or top drones for under $100. These drones are not going to work for you if you're running a drone service business. They often have very short flight times, lack stability, and even if they advertise as having high megapixel cameras, the overall package isn't good enough for professional work. We recommend checking out one of these two drones to start your business. First is the Autel Robotics Evo Nano Plus Premium Bundle at $800. This drone has a 1/1.2 inch CMOS sensor capable of 50 megapixel photos, an obstacle avoidance system, and autofocus. Our second suggestion is the DJI Mavic Air 2S Fly More combo, coming in at just $1,109. It's hard to beat the quality of a DJI drone. With a 1-inch CMOS sensor, 5.4K video, obstacle avoidance sensors in 4 directions, and more, this drone is an amazing deal. Depending on which of these drones you choose, our total will increase to between $2,172 and $2,981. We'll add in $5 for the FAA's registration, putting the grand total at between $2,177 and $2,986. Well, we made it. With everything required to go from a desire to become a drone pilot to running your own drone business, all you need is less than $3,000. Make sure to leave comments below of what you think, and if you start a drone business, let us know if you were able to get even lower than our estimate. From all of us at Altitude University, stay safe out there and happy flying.